Hi, I am Mike Lewin Cabarda Suliano, and today we will do an experiment in relation to homogeneous and heterogeneous. First, let us mix sugar and water. In this mixture, we can see that sugar dissolves and is soluble to water. Because of this, we can say that sugar is a homogeneous mixture. This is because the sugar dissolves with water. We cannot see its particles and the sugar is evenly distributed in the solution. Since we can see the particles of the sugar in the mixture, we can infer that the composition is uniform and it is classified as homogeneous. As we mix ethanol and water, we can say that ethanol is soluble to water, and we can distinguish either the mixture has ethanol in it because the alcohol and water is combined physically in such a way that they form a uniform composition and we can see any particles in the mixture. Therefore, we can say that the mixture ethanol and water is a homogeneous mixture. To sum up, both sugar and water mixture and alcohol and water mixture are homogeneous mixture. This is because they have a uniform composition wherein we can see any particles in the solution with the use of our naked eye. When oil and water is mixed, they do not mix evenly and they create layers. The water and oil are not mixed because the oil is less dense than the water. Because of it, they create two phases, which is the oil phase that is in the top of the water phase. Since the oil and water are not evenly mixed, it classifies that it is a non-uniform composition. And since the mixture has two phases, the oil phase and the water phase, this means that water and oil mixture is a heterogeneous mixture. As we both mix sand and water, we can say that it is not soluble to water, wherein the particles of the sand can be easily seen in the water with our naked eye. Since we can still see the sand, this means that it is not evenly mixed and its particles can be seen in the mixture. By this, we can say that it is a non-uniform composition, and because it has two phases, solid which is the sand and liquid which is the water, therefore, sand and water mixture is a heterogeneous mixture. When mixing cinnamon powder and salt, the particles of salt can still be seen in the mixture. This means that they are not mixed uniformly. With our naked eye, we can still see the white particles of the salt and the brown particles of the cinnamon powder. Since it has a non-uniform composition, thus it is a heterogeneous mixture. To sum up for our experiment, we can identify if our mixture is a homogeneous mixture if it has a uniform composition wherein the particles of the mixture cannot be seen in our naked eyes, while heterogeneous mixture has two or more phases and has a non-uniform composition wherein the particles can be seen in our naked eyes. That's all, thank you.